Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment so you do not chase ghosts. First, boot into BIOS or UEFI and make sure the installer media is first in order. If you use legacy installers, disable Secure Boot temporarily. Next, physically check USB ports, SATA cables, and the drive so the system actually sees hardware. Once done, try booting the installer and watch whether the error persists. This isolates whether the problem is media, firmware, or hardware. Now you dig into drivers and the installer image. This is often the core issue. Mount the installer or load driver packs and confirm the network interface drivers match your chipset. Installers often lack OEM NIC drivers. Use Device Manager on an existing Windows system or LSPCI on Linux to confirm the adapter is detected. If missing, inject the proper inf/sys files into the Windows image with DISM or add drivers during setup. Finish by repairing and testing hardware so you resolve remaining causes. If drivers were added but the error remains, run startup repair or restore a clean system image to eliminate corrupted installer state. Next, boot a Linux Live USB to confirm the NIC functions outside Windows. That separates driver from hardware failure. If the NIC fails on live media, replace it or use a USB Ethernet adapter. Troubleshooting tip: always test with another NIC before full reinstall to avoid unnecessary work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.